Hi, my name is Madeline Richard and I'm an Outward Bound alum.
I had never slept outside before.
I was afraid of the insects.
I was worried about the other people, if I would get along with them, or if hiking, if it would be too hard or too long.
You have to at least give it a try. Without giving it a try, you'll have no idea. And most people do come out on the other side glad that they did it.
My favorite part about this experience when I got here was how they made us all feel like family and like we knew each other before we even got to the campsite.
My instructors were great. They are always there to help you, but they're also there to push you. They're like your biggest cheerleaders.
I'm the typical teenager that's always on my phone, and me surviving without my cell phone made my expedition better.
It was sort of nice not to have your phone, because then you could see all the outdoors, you could see the beautiful sunrises and sunsets.
When I picked up the pack for the first time and I felt how heavy it was, I was worried. After the first 1 or 2 days, hiking became a lot easier, the pack became much easier to carry, and it all became fun.
Once we started walking and you start talking to everybody, you kind of just get into a mental state where you're just like, I can do this.
The food was actually really good. It was what you would usually have at home, so it was interesting the first couple of days trying to figure out how to cook the food.
I'll never forget going to sleep at night and hearing all the noises of nature, the birds and the crickets.
I was looking at the stars, and I really never did that before. So it was a new and good experience for me.
The Outward Bound trip was a challenging experience. It definitely pushed some of my boundaries, but it was all good and it was all fun.
It just seems so impossible when people tell you like you're going to Outward Bound and you're going to have to sleep outside, you're going to have to hike 10 miles. When you find out that you can do it, it's just like, wow.
One thing I would tell a new student is have an open mind.
Be willing to take new challenges along and to push through them.
Sometimes I just wanted to give up.
But I didn't. Neither will you.